Welcome back to Parallel Essence, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the multiverse. We're thrilled to bring you to our epic tale, MindBridge, the Interstellar Connection. In this installment, we delve into the exciting possibilities and daunting challenges of interstellar exploration through the lens of the revolutionary MindBridge technology. Join us as we explore new worlds, encounter extraterrestrial life, and confront the ethical and philosophical implications of our quest for knowledge. With each step into the unknown, we discover new connections that bind us to the universe and to each other. The MindBridge project was a revolutionary idea that aimed to push the boundaries of human consciousness and interstellar travel. The concept was simple but profound: to create a technology that could transfer human consciousness from one planet to another. The goal of the MindBridge project was to explore new worlds and discover the secrets of the universe by enabling humans to project their minds to distant planets. The team behind the project was a group of brilliant scientists, engineers, and visionaries who believed in the power of human ingenuity to unlock new realms of existence. However, the MindBridge project was not without its challenges and ethical considerations. One of the primary challenges was the complexity of the technology itself. The team had to develop a system that could map the neural pathways of the human brain and transmit that data across vast distances in space. There were also ethical considerations surrounding the MindBridge technology. The team had to consider the potential risks to human health and safety, as well as the impact of interstellar travel on other worlds and civilizations. They had to balance the desire for scientific discovery with the responsibility to protect and preserve life in the universe. Despite these challenges, the team remained committed to the MindBridge project, driven by a deep passion for exploration and a belief in the power of human innovation. They knew that the potential benefits of the technology were too great to ignore, and that the risks and ethical considerations could be managed with careful planning and preparation. With the stage set and the team assembled, the MindBridge project was ready to begin the journey towards interstellar exploration and the unlocking of new frontiers of knowledge. To understand the MindBridge technology, it is important to first understand the science behind it. Theoretical frameworks support the concept of the MindBridge, including the principles of quantum entanglement and the concept of the multiverse. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where two particles become linked in such a way that the state of one particle is dependent on the state of the other, even if they are separated by vast distances. This phenomenon is thought to occur instantaneously, faster than the speed of light, and has been shown to be a reliable way of transmitting information over long distances. The concept of the multiverse suggests that there may be an infinite number of parallel universes, each with its own set of physical laws and characteristics. The MindBridge technology relies on the assumption that the human mind is not confined to one particular universe, but can exist simultaneously in multiple universes. The MindBridge technology uses these theoretical frameworks to enable humans to project their consciousness to other planets. By mapping the neural pathways of the human brain and transmitting that data through quantum entanglement, the MindBridge technology allows humans to effectively transport their minds to other worlds. The potential impact of the MindBridge technology on human exploration is immense. It could enable humans to explore new worlds and discover the secrets of the universe without the physical limitations of space travel. It could also open up new avenues for communication and connection between different civilizations and species. However, as with any new technology, there are also potential risks and ethical considerations to be addressed. The MindBridge team must carefully consider these factors as they move forward with the development and implementation of the technology. The MindBridge team began their journey by conducting a series of initial tests and experiments to prove the feasibility of the technology. They started by mapping the neural pathways of animals such as mice and primates and transmitting that data over short distances using quantum entanglement. Over time, the team overcame numerous hurdles and made several breakthroughs in the development of the MindBridge technology. One of the biggest challenges was finding a way to map the complex neural pathways of the human brain, which is much more intricate than that of animals. To overcome this challenge, the team turned to advanced AI and machine learning technologies. By using neural networks and deep learning algorithms, they were able to develop a highly accurate mapping system that could replicate the neural pathways of the human brain with incredible precision. The role of supporting technologies such as AI did not stop there. The MindBridge team also used AI to simulate the experience of interstellar travel, allowing the participants to practice projecting their consciousness to distant planets in a safe and controlled environment. The simulations help the participants to prepare mentally and physically for the challenges of interstellar travel, and also allowed the team to fine-tune the MindBridge technology based on feedback from the participants. As the development of the MindBridge technology progressed, the team made several other breakthroughs in areas such as transmission distance and signal clarity. They also worked to refine the ethical considerations surrounding the technology, ensuring that the risks to human health and safety were minimized and that the impact on other worlds and civilizations was carefully considered. Overall, the MindBridge team faced numerous challenges in the testing and development of the technology, but with the help of advanced AI and other supporting technologies, they were able to overcome these challenges and make significant progress towards their goal of interstellar exploration. After years of testing and development, the MindBridge team was ready to move forward with human trials. The team carefully selected a group of volunteers who were both physically and mentally fit for the experiment. The volunteers underwent extensive training to prepare them for the rigors of interstellar travel. This training included physical exercises to build strength and endurance, as well as mental exercises to help them develop the mental fortitude and focus required for the experiment. In addition to physical and mental preparation, the volunteers were also given a detailed explanation of the risks and potential impact of the experiment. The team wanted to ensure that the volunteers fully understood the potential consequences of their participation in the experiment. Finally, the day arrived for the first transfer of human consciousness. The volunteers were placed in a specially designed chamber and connected to the MindBridge technology. The team began the process of mapping the neural pathways of the volunteers' brain and transmitting that data across vast distances using quantum entanglement. After several tense hours, the team successfully transferred the volunteers' consciousness to a distant planet. The volunteer reported feeling a sense of weightlessness and disorientation at first, but quickly adapted to their new surroundings. They were able to explore the alien landscape and interact with the local flora and fauna, all while their physical body remained safely on Earth. The success of the first human transfer marked a major milestone for the MindBridge team. They had proven the feasibility of their technology and opened up new possibilities for human exploration and discovery. With the success of the first human transfer, the MindBridge team was eager to explore new worlds and unlock the mysteries of the universe. They carefully selected their first destination, a planet located in a nearby star system that showed promising signs of supporting life. Interstellar travel was not without its challenges, however. The MindBridge team had to carefully navigate the vast distances of space, avoiding hazards such as asteroids and gravitational anomalies. They also had to deal with the physical and mental toll of extended periods of travel, which required careful monitoring and support from the team on Earth. Despite these challenges, the team was excited to explore the new planet. Upon arrival, the volunteer projected their consciousness onto the planet's surface, exploring its terrain and studying its environment. They collected samples of the local flora and fauna, and conducted experiments to better understand the planet's geology and weather patterns. The exploration of the new planet was not without surprises, however. The volunteer encountered strange and exotic creatures that they had never seen before, some of which exhibited advanced intelligence and complex social behaviors. They also discovered evidence of a long-extinct civilization, raising questions about the planet's history and the potential for other intelligent life in the universe. The MindBridge team continued to explore the planet for several months, gathering data and conducting experiments. They also worked to carefully preserve the planet's delicate ecosystem, ensuring that their presence did not have a negative impact on the environment. The exploration of the new planet marked a major achievement for the MindBridge team, and opened up new possibilities for human exploration and discovery. With their technology, they were able to bridge the vast distances of space and explore worlds that were previously beyond our reach. During their exploration of the new planet, the MindBridge team made a groundbreaking discovery. They had encountered extraterrestrial life. The volunteer had encountered intelligent beings that were unlike anything that had been encountered before, with advanced technology and a complex social structure. The team quickly realized that communicating with these beings would be a significant challenge. The aliens had their own unique language and communication methods, and it was unclear whether they would be able to understand human communication. The MindBridge team began working with linguists and anthropologists to develop a method for communicating with the aliens, using a combination of gestures, visual aids, and translation software. Over time, the MindBridge team was able to establish a basic level of communication with the aliens. They learned about their culture, their history, and their way of life. They were also able to share information about human civilization, introducing the aliens to new concepts and ideas. The contact with extraterrestrial life raised important ethical and philosophical questions for the MindBridge team. They grappled with questions about the impact of their presence on the aliens' culture, and whether they should intervene or simply observe from a distance. They also considered the implications of contact with other civilizations on human society, and the potential for a paradigm shift in our understanding of our place in the universe. The MindBridge team continued to study and interact with the aliens for several years, deepening their understanding of their culture and way of life. The encounter with extraterrestrial life marked a major turning point in human history, and opened up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. While the MindBridge technology opened up new possibilities for human exploration, it also carried significant risks and dangers. The MindBridge team was acutely aware of their responsibility to carefully manage the impact of their actions on other worlds and civilizations. One of the key risks of interstellar exploration was the potential for introducing invasive species or other forms of contamination to new environments. The MindBridge team had to take extensive precautions to ensure that their equipment and technology did not inadvertently introduce harmful bacteria or other organisms to new worlds. Another risk of interstellar exploration was the potential for unintentionally disrupting the balance of ecosystems on new worlds. The MindBridge team had to carefully study and understand the local environment before taking any actions, and even then, their actions had to be carefully managed to avoid causing harm. The ethical considerations of interstellar exploration were also complex and challenging. The MindBridge team had to grapple with questions about the rights of other civilizations and the impact of their actions on those societies. They had to carefully consider the potential for unintended consequences and the long-term impact of their actions on other worlds. Despite these challenges, the MindBridge team remained committed to their mission of exploration and discovery. They worked tirelessly to balance the potential risks and benefits of their actions, carefully weighing the consequences of each decision they made. In the end, the MindBridge team believed that the potential benefits of interstellar exploration, the discovery of new worlds, the exploration of new frontiers, and the potential for contact with other civilizations, outweighed the risks. However, they remained acutely aware of their responsibilities as explorers and took every precaution to ensure that their actions did not have a negative impact on the worlds they visited. The MindBridge technology opened up new frontiers for scientific discovery and innovation. The ability to transfer human consciousness to other planets allowed for a level of exploration and study that was previously impossible. Scientists and researchers could now study alien ecosystems, geology, and atmospheric conditions firsthand, gathering data and making observations that could lead to groundbreaking discoveries. The MindBridge technology also allowed for the development of new fields of study, such as exobiology and astrogeology. These fields focused on the study of life on other planets and the geology of extraterrestrial environments, respectively. The development of these fields had far-reaching implications, from advancing our understanding of the origins of life to providing new insights into the potential for human habitation on other planets. In addition to the pursuit of scientific knowledge, interstellar exploration also had significant benefits for humanity. The exploration of new worlds opened up new possibilities for colonization and expansion, providing new opportunities for human civilization to grow and evolve. It also provided new resources and raw materials that could be used to support human society. Beyond these practical benefits, interstellar exploration also had a profound impact on human culture and society. It sparked the imagination of people around the world, inspiring new forms of art, literature, and entertainment. It also brought people together, creating a sense of global unity and cooperation as humanity worked towards a common goal. Overall, the pursuit of knowledge and exploration through the MindBridge technology had far-reaching implications for humanity, advancing our understanding of the universe and opening up new possibilities for our future. The MindBridge technology not only transformed the field of exploration and scientific discovery, but it also had a profound impact on the personal lives of the explorers themselves. The experience of transferring their consciousness to other planets was transformative, providing them with a unique perspective on the universe and their place within it. Each explorer had their own personal story to tell, from the excitement and anticipation of being selected for the mission to the challenges and rewards of being a pioneer. For some, the experience was life-changing, giving them a new sense of purpose and perspective on their place in the world. For others, it was a chance to fulfill a lifelong dream of exploration and discovery. The impact of the MindBridge technology on the explorers was both physical and psychological. They had to undergo extensive training and preparation for the mission, both to ensure their safety and to maximize their effectiveness as explorers. They also had to deal with the physical and emotional toll of being away from their families and loved ones for extended periods of time. Despite the challenges, the rewards of being a pioneer were significant. The explorers had the opportunity to make history, to be the first humans to set foot on new worlds and to discover new forms of life and technology. They also had the chance to inspire future generations, to inspire a new wave of explorers and adventurers to continue the quest for knowledge and discovery. Overall, the personal journeys of the explorers highlighted the transformative power of the MindBridge technology, both in terms of its impact on human knowledge and its impact on individual lives. The pioneers who journeyed to other planets will forever be remembered as trailblazers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and experience. The MindBridge technology had opened up a whole new universe of exploration and discovery, but it was just the beginning. As the technology continued to develop and improve, new frontiers were being explored and new worlds were being discovered. The expansion of the MindBridge technology to new frontiers meant that humanity was now able to explore more remote and distant corners of the galaxy, seeking out new civilizations and technologies. The potential for collaboration and cooperation across the galaxy was also increasing, as humans worked together with other species to share knowledge and resources. The exploration of new worlds and civilizations brought with it a new set of challenges and opportunities. The diversity of life in the galaxy meant that humans were encountering new forms of life and technology that they had never seen before. This required new approaches to communication and understanding, as well as new ethical considerations for interacting with alien civilizations. Despite these challenges, the potential for collaboration and cooperation across the galaxy was immense. The sharing of knowledge and resources across different species had the potential to unlock new technologies and ideas, leading to a new era of innovation and growth for all civilizations involved. Overall, the expansion of the MindBridge technology to new frontiers represented a new era of exploration and discovery for humanity. With each new world explored and each new civilization encountered, humans were learning more about the universe and their place within it, while also building new relationships and connections across the galaxy.